DJ Tom Boner on the ones and twos.
Oh, you thought it? I've only heard like what? Fire.
The music is playing. Who's gonna make history today? Who wants to be the first ever Big Lounge champion? Vapour Heights. Seldom going out first. Let's go, Typewriter. Typewriter, first round.
Oh! Ass made of steel. Ass made of steel, dog. I want one of those.
Typewriter, straight out of Korea. Let's go, Seldom.
My bad. Yeah! Woo! It's over.
Alright, now give it up for that battle right there. That was awesome. That is really gonna go down to the judges.